Let's take a closer look at LEGO Super Mario Wiggler's Poison Swamp expansion set. This is number 71383. It contains 374 pieces and is meant as a set to go along with your Super Mario starter set. This one has a bunch of fun characters. I like Wiggler, he's kind of the star of the show here. And then there's also a flying Koopa Troopa as well, he's really cool. And there's a Goomba too. All classic enemy characters for Mario to fight. Wiggler's got a neat motion that makes him go back and forth. There's a bridge that curls up and unfolds. There's even a raft that swivels out so that Mario can get out to the Koopa Troopa. Yeah, lots of fun things, lots of things that move on this set. My kids really like combining this with some of the other Mario sets that they have and creating more or less a level for each other to play with and try to stomp through the level, defeat all the enemies, hit the barcodes, and set off all the neat little sound bites that the barcodes do. On account of the small pieces, this is made for ages 7 and up. Wouldn't want babies, putting any pieces in their mouth or anything like that. And even though the figure characters like Mario that you would use along with this set require batteries, the pieces included in this set don't require any batteries, and it doesn't come with any. Overall, it's a great addition to the Super Mario sets that are already out there. My kids love playing with this set, and I can see why. It's a lot of fun. This is a good one. I don't know about you, but I can't get enough of that Wiggler action. Check this out. This is fun. This would make a great gift for the LEGO Super Mario fan that you know. Thanks for listening. I hope this helped you. Go Wiggler, go!